Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I shared an airdrop project called Acki Nacki which raised 6 million funding and is free to join. I also made a tutorial about how to join and everything. You can watch that video on our channel. But one thing I missed out is how to connect your wallet to the Telegram bot. So in this video I'll show you how you can do that. So let's get started. So if you open the app dashboard, then here as you can see the connect wallet option. To connect your wallet, tap on this. Then click start, then click Google Play, then it redirects to the Play Store, so install the wallet. After completion, open the app, then click create new wallet, then select Google and then choose the email you want to continue with. After that, you need to choose any username you want. Then click select name. Then choose your password and click continue. So your wallet is now ready. Click on not now. Then enter your password and click continue. And you will land on the wallet dashboard. So here what you need to do is click mine tokens. Then it asks again for your password, so enter your password and click again on continue. Then here select login with Telegram. If you see this claim option, it means your wallet is successfully connected. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.